everybody, this is the Byram staff, and we're here this morning to do our virtual Valentine's Day craft. And if you notice, we're social distancing, we're 6 feet apart. And we're going to give you all 2 crafts on today. Brittany's going to demonstrate our Valentine toilet tissue roll trinkets, and Akisa's going to be making our love bugs for our grab and go bags. So pay close attention. As you notice, we have our supplies here for the toilet tissue roll. First, your toilet tissue roll, your googly eyes, paper if you choose to use paper to cover your toilet tissue roll, or you can paint it if however you choose. We have the glue, and we have various stickers and hearts for you to do your decorations. So Brittany is going to demonstrate how we're going to do this. Ta-da! There you have it. Hold it up, Brittany, so everyone can see. And it says, "I'll be your Valentine." O-W-L, be your Valentine. Good job, Brittany. There are several different types of toilet tissue Valentine trinkets you can do. Akisa, hold yours up, the one you made. And there's also this one. Isn't that cute? Okay, and the butterfly, I believe. Just be my Valentine. So you can come on over to Byram. And we're only going to have a few grab and go bags. Not very many, just a few. And what are you making, Akisa?
Love bug.
And what are we going to do with the love bugs, Akisa?
I'm going to draw some hearts, attach them to some popsicle sticks, and use some pipe cleaners for his little antlers. And there it is.
We're going to make grab and go bags for our patrons. So let's watch Akisa now as she work on her love bugs. And this is the finished product. That is so lovely. Okay, you guys, so happy Valentine's Day from
Brittany?
Akisa.
and Deborah in the background. You all have a good day.